Getting to be co-presidents this year was amazing, so just having the opportunity to give back to the school community in a way was amazing for us. The school has impacted us so much, so being able to represent the school was amazing. And having Ali as a co-president, it was really nice to have someone to bounce ideas off of and work with and collaborate on.
Yeah, I'd say the most rewarding thing about being president was being able to do a lot of stuff behind the scenes. Like, not necessarily stuff that all the kids would necessarily know happens, but knowing that there's a lot of little puzzle pieces that have to, fit together, and there's a lot of little things that have to be done. I'd say, getting all those little jobs done was super fulfilling.
And I think probably the proudest moment for me was just every event, being able to see people enjoying it and all our hard work that was put into it, and just seeing them have fun.
Yeah, I feel like the teachers are just one of the single greatest things about the school. I mean, as coaches, as teachers, as mentors, I've gotten to know so many of them on so many different levels. I feel so connected through the school because of them. And, leaving, I'm sure Vanessa can say the same. We hope to stay in touch with all of them, and to come back and see them makes us super happy.
They've left such an impact on us, and they're so inspiring too, and all the hours that they put into helping us, they really just go above and beyond to make sure that everyone's interests are being met. And if you need more help, they're there for you. If you need to enrichment, they're there for you as well. They really just do everything they can, and it's so inspiring, and it's amazing to be around people like that, and having them as teachers is an honor. So ever since I came to the school in grade 4, CDS has always been a home for me. And as soon as I've gotten here, I've just really wanted to take every opportunity to give back. So I joined Ambassadors as soon as I could have, where toured families around the school. And I was involved in peer tutoring, so I could help students after school in the younger grades, and that was really fun for me. I was also involved in Model UN, and that was also really fun, getting to organize events and just trying out everything, because CDS has so much to offer, so I just wanted to take every opportunity I could take.
If I was gonna give a piece of advice to an incoming student in grade 9 CDS, or into any school for that matter, I'd say don't stress. I mean, I was such a nervous and shy guy, and I always am when I'm around new people. And the stuff that you stress about is honestly not worth stressing about. Everything will work out in the end. Anything you're scared or anxious about, it works out fine. There's people here to help you. There's people here to support you. Nothing can really go that wrong, and you will find your place and you'll find your way, and everything will work out in the end, and it will be amazing.
Try everything out. Do things that you normally wouldn't. Go out of your comfort zone a little bit. Take the course that you might not be the best at, but you're the most interested in. Sit with new people at lunch, try a new sport or activity, because those are the experiences that you'll grow the most from.